Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the language on a Peugeot 3008. Modification year is 2019 and I had some problems and I had some inquiries for how to change the language, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. I have more than 200 videos on my channel. You can watch them all if you want. And any comments, any questions are also welcome. Use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. Turn off the ignition. Turn the ignition on. We're gonna use this area over here. Yes, and then you have to go to vehicle settings. It's already over there. There is another wheel button over here, touchscreen. Once you are here, you have to go to configuration, and as you can see, the language is here, and then you can scroll down with the arrow buttons or like this to set it on the desired language. Set it on English and then go back to the main screen. And as you can see, I already set it before to English, and you can change it like this to another language you desire. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.